Okay, so Pythagorean theorem converse. Pythagorean converse. Okay. I know the Pythagorean theorem. I know Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Now the converse is I'm gonna have three measurements. And the question is that true? Is a squared plus b squared equal to c squared? So here for number 17, well, for today, the instructions are state if each triangle is a right triangle. So basically what I'm asking is a squared plus b squared equals c squared? Okay, I know I have to label my sides as a, b, and c to begin with. And I know that one side that is diagonal is the c, and the other sides are a and b. If a is equal to 11, I'm going to say a squared is equal to 121. Right, and multiply by itself. If b is equal to 11, I'm going to say b squared is equal to 121. If c is equal to 100, the square root of 170, c squared is 170. Remember I said that radical and the square kind of undo each other? I said that last week. Okay, so I know my a squared, I know my b squared, I know my c squared. So what I'm asking here, is 121, because remember I have to go a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what I'm asking here is 121 plus 121, is it equal to 170? I'm kind of asking like a yes or no type of question. Is 121 plus 121 equal to 170? No, it's not. So therefore, no, this is not a right triangle. How do people use this? When people are doing construction, they're building a room and they're wondering, how do we get a 90-degree corner? It is very important in construction to get 90-degree corners. So they're they're wondering, did I get it? Well, this is how you do it. Measure the three sides. Boom, there you go. Okay. Question number 18. Let me label my sides as A, B, C. The one that is diagonal is my C, and then the other ones are A and B. Let me do the B and the C first. If B is 7, I'm going to say B squared is 49, because 7 times 7. If C is 15, I'm going to say C squared is 225. Now my problem is A squared. A squared is basically 4 radical 11 times 4 radical 11. So that's 16 times the square root of 121, which is 11. So 16 times 11 is 176. Okay. So I know what my A squared, my B squared, my C squared are. So now here, what I'm asking is, I know the formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I know A squared is 176. B squared is 49. And C squared is 225. So what I'm asking is 176 plus 49 equal to 225? Yeah, that's a true statement. So I'm going to say yes, this is true. Remember the converse, Pythagorean converse is basically asking, is a squared plus b squared equal to c squared? Okay, so let's take a look at number 19. Let me label my sides. This is going to be A, this is going to be B, and this diagonal is going to be my C. The biggest side is my C. So if A is 11, I'm going to say A squared is 121. 11 times 11. If B is 7, I'm going to say B squared is 49. Now my c squared is radical 170 times radical 170, which is equal to 170. Okay, that's not bad. And I remember my formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm asking, is 121 plus 49 equal to 170? Yeah, 121 plus 49. Yeah, that is equal to 170. So yes, this is a right angle. Right. This corner that looks like a 90 degrees, yes, it is. Now let's take a look at number 20. Let me label my sides. I'm gonna call this side A, this one's B, and this one's C. So if A is 4, I'm gonna say A squared is 16. Let me take a look at my C. If C is 17, well, C squared will be 289. Right, 17 times 17. Now my B squared is 6 radical 5 times 6 radical 5, which is 36 times radical 25, which is 5. 36 times 5 is 180. Okay, so I know my formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So what I'm asking is 16 plus 180 equals to 289? I know 16 plus 180 is 196, not 289. So then my answer will be no. This angle that looks like a 90-degree angle is not. Later on in this unit, we're going to learn, is this more than 90 or is this less than 90? Right? We're going to learn that. That's coming up.